Hey guys, Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. We've got a gorgeous 2014 Harley Davidson Street Glide. This one's got the brilliant silver pearl paint. I'm kind of biased towards this paint. This was the color of my 2010 Street Glide. It's just a beautiful platinum silver. Cleans up real good. Even when it gets dirty, it doesn't show a whole lot of dirt. This one's got a bunch of nice parts. Somebody added the paint matched lower fairings. You already got a set of highway pegs that match the driver's floorboards and pedals. Same with the passenger pegs. It's got the 103-inch fuel injected V-twin motor, the 6-speed transmission. It's also got some RC exhaust, slip-on mufflers, good sound. Got a stage 1 breather, a Screaming Eagle cover. Being a 2014 model, it's got the updates. Got the updated one-touch saddlebag latches. This one's got factory security. It's also got electronic cruise control. There's just like maybe one or two very, very tiny little paint chips. One on the edge of the batwing fairing. I believe there was one back here on the saddlebag. Very small. This one's got good tires on it. Plenty of tread on that Dunlop. It's one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. So we do a multi-point inspection on it. Test ride it to make sure everything's working properly. Then we give it a professional detail. All the chrome is in excellent shape. It's got a heel toe shifter. This was also something new on the 14 and up touring bikes. Got a vent right there in the back wing. They went to a 4-gauge setup, 4.3-inch LCD display. I'm gonna turn it on. It's got some upgrades on the front too, like this LED headlight. Nice and bright, and I think these are really cool. They're a fork mounted flush mount blinker. I'll show you here. So it went from a white LED to when you hit the blinkers, it's just a regular amber. I think that looks super cool. Just some nice, tasteful modifications on this bike. Good tire on the front. It's got the shorty tinted windscreen. And it's only got 10,778 miles. I think, yeah, this one's got the ABS brakes as well. So it's pretty much loaded straight from the factory. Got a nice aggressive sound to it. Beautiful bike, guys. If you'd like to know more about it, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com. See our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. So it'll be real easy to get this one to you. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.